Hello physics lovers, in this video we will discuss physical quantities. Generally, there are two quantities, base quantities and derived quantities. So what is physical quantity? A physical quantity is a property of a material or a system that can be quantified by measurement. For example, there is a people try to measure his mass and it shows that his mass is 84.7 kilograms, which means 84.7 is the number and the kilogram is the unit that is the result of measurement. The base quantities are physical quantities that cannot be defined in the term of other quantities. According to international standard, there are 7 base quantities. First, we have the length. The unit of the length is meter and the symbol for the meter is m. And the second, we have the mass. And the unit for the mass is kilogram. The symbol for the kilogram is kg. And the third, we have time, with the unit of the time is second and the symbol for this unit is s. And the last, we have luminous intensity. For the unit is candela and the symbol for this unit is CD. Now we wanna understand more the length, mass, and the time. The length. The standard unit for the length is meter. And it is agreed that for now, a meter is a length traveled by a light in 1 per 300 million of a second. In order to measure the length of an object, we can use several tools to measure the length. For example, a tape measure. If we want to measure the length of the room, we can use it. And if you want to measure the book, for example, you can use the ruler. And if you want to measure a thin plate metal, you can use micrometer screw. For the mass, we agree that standard unit for the mass is kilogram or kg. The standard mass is a cylinder of platinum iridium that kept at the International Bureau of the Weights near Paris, and it is exactly 1 kilograms and lost about 50 micrograms in 129 years. And the mass facts here, we can see a lot of objects in the universe. Start from the DNA. DNA molecule has mass of 10 power minus 17 kilograms. For the ship, it will equal to 10 power 8 kilograms. And then for a galaxy, it is approximately about 10 power 40 kilograms. Next is time. The standard unit for the time is a second. And the second is defined as the frequency of radiation emitted by cesium atoms when they pass between two particular states. And here is the atomic clocks in a laboratory in Colorado, United States. For measuring time, we can use several devices to measure time taken by an event. We can use analog stopwatch, for example, or you can use digital stopwatch or even a smartphone. Now we come up with derived quantities. Derived quantities are the quantities that are calculated with two or more measurement, which means two or more base quantities. For example, the speed that is equal to distance over times, so that the unit for the speed is meter per second, and the other is density, which means equals to mass over volume. So the unit of the density is kilograms per cubic meter. Thank you very much, physics lovers. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Cahaya Rancamaya Islamic Boarding School